3 years ago, I almost quit YouTube. Not because I hated filming, not because I ran out of ideas, but because of editing. I would record a 10-minute video and then spend 6 to 8 hours editing it, cutting mistakes, zooming in, adding captions, fixing awkward pauses, adjusting audio levels for the 100th time. Meanwhile, creators like Mr. Beast's YouTube channel were uploading high-energy, perfectly paced videos every single week. And I kept asking myself, how are they doing this? Then it hit me. They're not doing it alone. Big creators don't sit there dragging clips on a timeline at 3 a.m. They build teams. And that's when I discovered Fiverr. At first, I didn't trust it. Hiring a random editor online? What if they ruin my footage? What if they don't understand my style? What if I waste my money? But I was exhausted. So I ran a test. I filmed one of my usual videos. Nothing special. Just my normal talking head content. Instead of editing it myself, I uploaded the raw files to Fiverr and sent a simple brief. Fast pacing. Add engaging subtitles. Clean transitions. Background music. Make it feel dynamic. That's it. 2 days later, I opened the final edit. And it didn't look like my channel anymore. It looked upgraded. The cuts were sharp. The silence was gone. The captions popped at the right moments. The music hit exactly where it should. It felt like something you'd see on a fast-growing channel. And here's the part that shocked me. It cost less than when I was paying monthly for editing plugins I barely knew how to use. But the biggest win wasn't the money. It was the time. Instead of spending 8 hours editing, I spent that time scripting better hooks, planning better thumbnails, studying retention, filming more content. My output doubled. And when your output doubles on YouTube, your growth usually follows. Platforms like Fiverr can help you do just that. To get started today, the link is in the description and comments. Thanks for watching.